Back to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the most repeated coding questions in Amazon's online assessment. We are going to break it down step by step so you can understand not just how to solve it but also the logic behind it. Let's dive into the first question. So the coding question, as you see here, the coding question expects you to implement a function, find pairs that calculate how many distinct pair of products ij from the list of costs have a sum divisible by a given integer x. The conditions are that I is less than j and the sum cost I plus cost j should be divisible by x. So what I have do here in the I have solved this problem. The code calculates the number of pairs of numbers in the cost vector that add up to a multiple of x. So it creates an ordered map to store the remainder of each number in cost when divided by x. It iterates through the cost vector, calculating the remainder rem and complementary remainder comp to each number. For each number, it increments the count by the number of occurrence of its complementary remainder in the map mp comp. Then it updates the map with the current numbers remainder mp rem plus plus. You can see in line number 11. Then finally it returns the total count of pairs that add up to a multiple of x. So I was able to pass the test cases with 100% efficient way. This code was little bit harder, but I was able to solve it. So this is my implementation. So moving towards our next problem, Amazon problem, which was also asked in online assessment. This is a very repeated question, so you can prepare well from here. The question is asking you to write a function that calculates the number of swaps performed by a specific sorting algorithm. The algorithm finds the smallest pair of indices I and j such that array I is greater than array j, swaps them and repeats this process until no more pairs are found. So I was also able to do the code very efficiently, and this is my logic which I was implemented in the online assessment. I have used these two nested loops to compare each element in the array with all the elements after it. If a pair of elements is found to be out of order, it swaps them and increments the swaps count. So this question was tricky, but I was able to solve it. So that's it for this problem. It is very popular or typical question that helps test your problem solving skills with arrays and basic modules operation. In my experience, this question or variation of it appears frequently in Amazon online assessment. So in third slide you can see a question number 2, which was also asked in my previous online assessment. We will cover this topic later. I was able to solve all the test cases very easily. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more coding problem breakdowns. In the next part of video, I will go over the this problem and solve how you can solve this problem as well. So thank you.